A very good morning, dear students. Are you all ready? So there are 80 toffees. You can take as much as you need. Take as much as you need and pass on the rest. Everyone got the toffees? You are 80 students. And still not all of you got the toffees. Just like these toffees, these resources are very limited. There is limited food, there is limited water. So if we start taking those resources and then nothing will be left for you, like nothing was left for them. So that's called sharing of resources. Take as much as we need. And that is the concept of sustainability. When we talk about global goals, we not only talk about Chandigarh, but we talk about the entire world as a whole. So we need to have a global perspective and understand things, what is happening globally.
We all talk about words in our mission statements about creating global citizens and empowering students, but it's important that we follow those in action.
I promise to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Everyone ready for the challenge?
Clean water and sanitation. We got this. We got this.
You only have 10 minutes and the competition starts now.
Only 90 seconds left. I am feeling excited. I want our team to be qualified for the next round. And I want to be the winner. And I want to say that we should plant more and more trees to make the environment more green. We should contribute to a healthy environment. We should use sustainable development goals in our day-to-day lives.
30 seconds. Now everyone has posters and colors. You have to write what challenges do you observe from Zero Hunger, and you have to come up with solutions that what you can do to remove the problem of hunger in our society. How an ideal city should look like.
Well, I feel like the activity is great. Everyone used their critical thinking and what they thought was very important in the 17 goals. Everyone had different opportunities to express their feelings on why is the sustainable goal important and why it's just important to fulfill it before 2030.
It's so important for the children to be aware of all the SDGs and how they can individually act upon the different SDGs at the school level, then at home, in their communities, and thereafter, of course, looking at the bigger picture in terms of country and kind of really come up with solutions at the ground level.
The workshop was wonderful because it did actually bring out reality for them. See, you always hear about goals, you hear about problems, you hear about solutions, but till the time you don't actually work on it together, till the time you're not part of it, you don't really know the gravity.
Small acts can create big impacts. Who are we?